Today we'll take a look at the Exness broker, its trading conditions, advantages and disadvantages, and also share real user reviews. Exness is one of the world's largest brokers, known for its competitive trading conditions, high security standards, and extensive asset selection. The company serves over 1 million active clients and processes a monthly trading volume exceeding $4 trillion. Exness specializes in currency pairs and also offers CFDs on stocks, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. The broker provides various account types: Standard, Standard Cent, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro. The minimum deposit for the standard account starts from $10, making it highly accessible to beginners. For professional accounts, the minimum deposit is $200. Spreads start from 0 pips on Raw Spread and Zero accounts, and from 0.3 pips on standard accounts. Leverage can reach up to 1 to 2,000, enabling traders to effectively manage their positions. Exness provides its clients with popular trading platforms MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as proprietary solutions, the Exness Terminal and the Exness Trade app mobile application. The company charges no commission for deposits and withdrawals, which gives it a significant edge over its competitors. However, Exness also has some drawbacks. For instance, the broker doesn't offer extensive educational resources for novice traders, and its 24/7 support service isn't available in all languages. Real traders' reviews.
A recent experience with Exness impressed me. I faced a trading glitch and couldn't execute trades. After posting on Twitter, their support quickly responded and reached out within minutes. They promptly helped resolve the issue. Excellent customer service.
Analyzing charts on Exness is simple with a variety of tools. It offers candles, bars, lines, and over 100 indicators like Bollinger Bands and moving averages. I use Bollinger Bands and Fibonacci for trading gold. They help spot trends and reversals easily.
Just started trading and found a great feature on Exness. You can customize the terminal. Choosing candle styles and colors is a big plus for personalization. It makes trading more comfortable and visually appealing. Props to Exness.
In conclusion, Exness is a stable and reliable broker offering competitive trading conditions and a wide variety of instruments. It deserves attention from both novice and experienced traders. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews and insights from Traders Union. Subscribe and leave your comments below. See you next time.